and can tell us. Hi, Sabrina.
Hi, Nick. Yes, I have the answer. So today was the last day of the heat wave, and the heat through this week has divided opinion. Some of you have really loved it, others have found it too much. So what happens next? Well, it's set to turn cooler and fresher. You'll notice more of a difference tomorrow into the weekend and then further ahead into next week too. But just looking back though at yesterday afternoon and overnight, there were so many lightning strikes recorded across Wales. So many of you sent in photos. If you ever want to know how far away lightning is from you, there's actually a calculation. So when you see the flash of lightning, start counting until you hear the sound of the rumble of thunder. For every 5 seconds you count, that means the storm is 1 mile away from you. So that could be helpful, especially in summer. So here was the lightning tracker then from yesterday afternoon right the way through the night, and looking at the lightning strikes across Wales and England through the overnight period, there were about 10,000 lightning strikes. So the lightning really was quite frequent. There were some really heavy downpours, hail and gusty winds. So the heat then at the moment mainly focused across the border. I'd say that it is cooler in parts of the west and south already, and the breeze has picked up. Quite windy for some coastal spots actually. Through the night then cloud will thicken for more of us. That will produce a little bit of patchy light rain and drizzle, but nothing too significant. If you have struggled to sleep in recent nights, tonight you should find it a little bit more comfortable as temperatures aren't going to be as high. In tomorrow's forecast then, we'll start on a quite cloudy note, some scattered showers in places. As the day wears on, it should brighten up for more of us with much more in the way of sunshine. Still a few showers in places. We're back to southwesterly winds, something more usual for us. And then those highs, 17 to 23 Celsius. So it will be a cooler day. Into this weekend then, weather fronts working their way in from the Atlantic, so that will bring some showery activity at the moment. Sunday, the more showery day of the weekend. As for Saturday itself then, some areas of cloud, spells of sunshine, a few scattered showers, but overall it looks to be a fairly fine day. Temperatures typically in the high teens and low 20s. Then on Sunday, we do expect more in the way of showers, and again, temperatures high teens, low 20s. And then next week, I think you'll find it pretty unsettled, quite a shock to the system compared with the week we've just had. That's your very latest. See you soon, Nick.
Wow, what a contrast.